Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about writing test cases, which is a fundamental skill in software testing. Whether you are in manual or automated testing, writing effective test cases ensures your application behaves the way it's supposed to. Remember, test cases are a checklist for testing software quality. Learning how to write them properly is critical for finding bugs early and ensuring reliability. Here is what we'll cover today: what test cases are, why they are important, types and components of test cases, how to write them with examples, tools and best practices, mistakes to avoid. This roadmap will help us go step by step from understanding test cases to actually writing effective ones and managing them with tools. Let's dive in. What is a test case? A test case is simply a set of instructions to check if a part of the software is working as expected. It includes the input, action, and expected results. For example, testing whether the login button works with valid credentials. Think of a test case like a recipe. It tells you what to do and what results you should expect. If the actual result matches, it passes. If not, it fails. Why are test cases important? Test cases help ensure requirements are fulfilled, bugs are caught early, and the testing can be repeated consistently. They also make sure we are not just testing randomly, we are following a structured path. Without test cases, your testing is like shooting in the dark. With them, you know exactly what you are testing, why, and what outcome to expect. Types of test cases. There are several types: functional, non-functional, positive, negative, boundary. Functional means it's based on requirements. Non-functional like speed, security, performance. With valid input, it's positive test case. For negative, it's invalid inputs. And of course, for boundary test case using edge cases. You must test for both what should happen, that's positive, and what shouldn't, that's negative. And don't forget the limits, means boundary. This ensures complete coverage. Key components of a test case. A good test case includes ID, title, preconditions, steps, test data, expected result, actual result, and status. Each component serves a purpose. Steps tell the tester what to do. Expected result confirms what should happen. These parts make your test repeatable and clear. Test case template. So here is a sample test case for login. It has all the fields we just discussed: an ID, precondition, test steps, expected result, and a status. This is what a real world test case looks like. Having a format like this keeps things standardized and easy to follow during testing. How to write effective test cases. To write strong test cases, read and understand the requirements. Use clear language. Keep test steps independent. Cover both expected and edge cases. Your goal is to make test cases so clear that anyone can follow them. Keep them clear, modular, and linked to real requirements. Let's look at a simple test case example: logging in with a valid user. It has a clear precondition, steps, and an expected outcome. The dashboard loads. This is a positive test case. You can also write negative ones like entering the wrong password. Test both to ensure reliability. Tools for writing and managing test cases. While many start with Excel or Google Sheet, professional teams use tools like Jira, plus TestRail or X-Ray, Azure DevOps, and automation tools like Selenium for test execution. Choose tools that fit your project size. Spreadsheets work for small projects, but tools are better for collaboration and traceability. Common mistakes in writing test cases. Avoid mistakes like not testing edge cases, vague steps, comparing too many things in one test, forgetting to update after requirements change. The goal is clarity and accuracy. Each test should have one clear purpose and be updated as the product evolves. Best practice: review your test cases. Use consistent naming, automate repetitive ones, use requirement traceability, write early, not last minute. Think like a user, write like a developer, test like a detective. Following best practices improves coverage, saves time, and catches bugs early. Today, we covered what test cases are, their components, examples, tools, and how to write them well. This is a core skill in both manual and automation testing. Test cases means planning for quality. When written well, they guide, document, and validate your testing process. Master this, you are halfway to being a great tester. So, if you have any queries or questions, let me know in the comment section. See you soon.